Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice level receiver board in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the ice bin door and pull the latch to uninstall the ice bin. Use a putty knife to depress the upper tab to release the receiver board housing. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws to release the old receiver board from the housing. You can now disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the old board. Install the new ice level receiver board by first connecting the wire connector. Confirm the on-off lever is positioned in the housing, then align the board and thread the mounting screws to secure. Snap the assembly into place in the ice bin housing. Replace the ice bin and close the ice bin door. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.